Hi guys, my name is Mehraab and you are watching Eminem. And you know what I'm gonna draw? It's a secret. Now let's start. Hi guys, now we're doing discussion. Basically, I'm gonna ask Mehraab some questions and she's gonna answer me about this painting. So let's start. Okay, Mehraab, first of all, I really need to know what is this three smiley faces heart thingy right here. The house parts roofs are happy. That is raining. Oh, so you mean those like a live house or something? No, they were just sleeping through the winter. They woke up when the rain came. Okay, so I can see it's a little bit raining in the picture right over here, and that's cool. And I wonder, why is this girl so happy? Could you answer me that? Because she loves her favorite weather is rain, and she's been in the rain. Oh, she's been in the rain? Okay. Wow, I really like this tree right here. I think it's also happy to see the rain after maybe like a long time or something. Yeah. Is it really happy? Yeah. Okay, I like it. And the house is good, raining is good, and we like it. So I like your painting. It's about like a rainy day where a girl comes out of her house and she's like happy. She sees everyone. She sees her neighbors happy and stuff. And she's also happy. She's playing with her friends. So we really like it. Good. We're done with the discussion. Thank you very much for liking my drawing. Oh, I also have a pleasure to do that. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.